We're continuing massage, and I have already washed my face. I have polished my skin to refine it, and I've masked it. You always, before massage, want to prepare the skin. You want it to be clean, you want to get blood flowing, and therefore oxygenating all the skin cells, and you're going to get a better massage. So we started by showing you the neck. I showed you the back of the ears where we have pressure points, and that area is very tight. So I showed you how to loosen it because that will affect the neck. I showed you the mentalis, and we worked up the face, and now we're going to work on the cheeks and under the eyes. So you want to try to pull under that bone and pull your skin all the way back to your hairline, and then hit a pressure point. Pull all the way back to the hairline and hit a pressure point. And you can do this 3 to 5 times or as many times as you would like. You can do this on the other side and the pressure point. We are pulling the labia superioris, or the muscles that are by the nose. I love my laugh line muscles, but I do like to soften them, and then pressure point. You can do both hands together and pull up. I find using my knuckles is wonderful. Get right under that bone and rub those pressure points. Right under that bone and rub those pressure points. Remember, these muscles are long and they're all interconnected all the way to the frontalis. So just 1 and pressure point, 2 and pressure point, 3 and pressure point. Now you're going to feel your ocular bone here. I want you to rub along it to your pressure point. And you can do it together, starting at the bridge of your nose and your pressure point. Be gentle under your eye, but I'm on the bone. So again, and then your pressure point. You can always come up. We're going to be doing the forehead differently, and you can tap ponement under your eyes. And that's going to get you some nice blood flow. So you've worked your neck, you've worked the backs of your ears, all of these pressure points, your mentalis, you've worked up your cheeks, you've pulled at these areas on the side of your nose, your labia superioris, just working. You're working under the optical muscle, and you can just tap. And then if you want to finish there, just work around, tap poment. And then we're going to move up to the top of the face. You should feel blood flowing. My skin is tingling. It feels tight. When the blood's flowing, the oxygen's flowing, and it just feels really wonderful. So tune into the third half. Thank you.